While we are all busy fighting over language issues, let me tell you the story of a man who scammed the British using Sanskrit. Now ब्रिटिश लोगों से लड़ने के दो तरीके थे, एक तलवार ऑब्वियसली और दूसरा तरीका जो इन्होंने चुना. Let me tell you the story of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, the Bengali genius who made British pass laws they didn't even understand. Because he wrote them in Sanskrit so pure कि Brahmins को भी imposter syndrome आ गया. Now the year is 1820. A village in Bengal. एक बच्चा है who's so broke that he studies under street lamps at night. कोई ट्यूशन नहीं, कोई वाईफाई नहीं, he's just on a mission. He reads everything, maths, philosophy, languages. इतना पढ़ लिया कि people started calling him Vidyasagar, ocean of knowledge. You can't even handle one spreadsheet without crying. This man handled entire scriptures before. Now cut to Calcutta. He becomes principal of Sanskrit College at 21. Now here's where the scam begins. Now British officials, they had this weird ego clause. If something was in Sanskrit, they'd pretend, हाँ सही है, मस्त है, stamp it. Colonial rule का version of हाँ I have read the terms and conditions. So Vidyasagar ने क्या किया? He started sneaking in reforms like legal petitions, budgets, approvals, school policies, everything in deep Vedic Sanskrit. British like, looks holy, must be fine. The results he got with this, he got girls into school, Dalits into Sanskrit education, funds diverted to rural classroom, all without British realizing that they were funding their own irrelevance. Now Vidyasagar sees something worse than British policy. Indian society. He watches Hindu widows being treated like expired humans. बाल काट दिए, हेड शेव कर दिया, white sarees, पूरा जीवन एक punishment. He literally says, nonsense. And then he starts pushing for widow remarriage. Laws were against him, pandits, priests, everything against him. Society was like, लोग क्या कहेंगे? But he's like, लोग कहेंगे तो कहेंगे, मैं law लिख दूंगा. And he does. There comes the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act. Passed. Backed by Vidyasagar, stamped by British, who probably thought remarriage was some new Sanskrit yoga posture. And he never chased fame. He didn't do interviews, he didn't care for statues, he just dipped quietly after getting the job done. What happened to the British? They're still confused. Society still trying to catch up. And us, we still remember the guy who fought an entire system using language, using grammar. एंड फनी थिंग बट आजकल के ज़माने में HR को भी ऐसा ईमेल में प्लीज़ अप्रूव लिख के 4 दिन लग जाते हैं. विद्यासागर ने तो पॉलिसीज़ लिख दी, लोगों की ज़िंदगी बदल दी और ब्रिटिश को लगा कि ये सब शुभ लाभ का पैम्पलेट है. वेल नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ समवन सेज व्हाट कैन वन पर्सन डू, वेल रिमेंबर दिस मैन, ही स्कैम्ड एन एम्पायर with language and grammar. I wish उस टाइम पे म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क वाला ऐड होता तो शायद ये ब्रिटिश स्कीम रिलेटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स को थोड़ा ठीक से पढ़ते. बाय, मोर इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.